3 simple steps to lose body fat. What does it take to lose body fat? To lose body fat, you need to incorporate sheer simplicity plus ultimate science because understanding how to lose body fat comprises your awareness of both concepts. Now is the time to prepare your heart and mind for non-stop challenge, consistent focus and utmost care. You are here seeking some viable remedy, correct? Our time together here is far more worthwhile if I just go ahead and tell you right now what it takes to lose body fat. In a nutshell, your biggest key is mental preparedness. Yep, that's the biggie. As soon as you discover how to convince your mind to issue lose body fat commands, you are well on your way to fitness success. To lose body fat, then, is quite simple matter. Yeah, of course, the difficulty you may face lies in your initial thinking than the reality of doing. There are a few things you will have to do in order to lose body fat. If and when you are willing and ready to do these things, you are sure to lose body fat without question. Long-term lose body fat solution. Does it really pay to seek a shortcut to lose body fat satisfaction? After you spin yourself virtually all the way around in a lose body fat circle by asking questions from sources that either really don't know the truth or even worse, only care to tell whatever it takes to separate you from your checkbook, credit card or wallet. The simplicity and long-time duality of how to lose body fat remains unchanged. Ease versus complexity. Long way around versus shortcut solution. Somebody or someone, meaning you, has to do the work. You want to lose body fat, that's why you are here. So your body needs to engage required, time-proven, professional principles that prove themselves for you over and again. In short, to lose body fat, you clearly build independence, self-assuredness, confidence, and other lose body fat skills that surprisingly emanate from your mental intellectual potential rather than merely your present physical ability. How to lose body fat? Here is your 3-step cure. Simply do these 3 things to lose body fat. 1. Once and for all, learn how to find out your daily calorie consumption and your energy expenditure numbers. Both of these numbers are absolutely crucial because they tell you exactly what your body is doing, right down to the very calorie. Once this calculation process becomes second nature to you, full control of the amount of body fat you carry lay right in the palms of your very hands. In other words, you can shape your loose body fat fortune and alter your lean body appearance almost exactly how you want it to be. 2. Work out for the most part, using much more drive and intensity than you have ever had before in your entire life. I say this is to you primarily because of remotely conscious human tendencies that we will have relaxation and taking the easy way out of challenging situation rather than facing and conquering its root cause. Plus, indoors exercise science knowledge says that performing at higher thresholds gives you life-extending benefits and burns higher amounts of calories from excess body fat. So, to enormously yet safely lose body fat, begin to train yourself towards high-intensity interval exercise. You may burn twice as many calories as you did before, plus feel better and look better too. 3. Lastly, you know that the entire weight loss lose body fat scenario revolves around one vital and never-changing concept: being overweight. Thus, needing to lose body fat remains a direct result of eating too much food and not getting enough exercise. Now, with this last one, allow me to isolate your biggest probable obstacle. The number one problem is that you hear this very same lose body fat news so much and so often that your brain instantly goes into shutdown or shut off mode. That is the tendency to assume the I have been there before, heard it all before, done it all before and it never works for me syndrome kicks in immediately. The solution: put on some new, lose body fat years today, starting right now. Allow yourself to hear the deeper gist this message carries. Cease to dismiss the seemingly small yet crucial matters that make the difference between your continued frustration and your lose body fat reward. If you need any kind of help whatsoever, just contact us because we care. And lose body fat assistance online is both professional and affordable. So don't worry yourself about spending lots of money to lose body fat. Understanding the true meaning of what it takes to lose body fat requires acceptance, open ears, and action. So, learn your personalized details, do the required work, plus know confidently and securely almost all about what it takes to lose body fat. Thank you.